Which of these defends you first when pathogens attack? Antibodies, T cells, skin, or fever? The correct answer is skin, your first barrier against infection. Let's see how the rest of the immune system follows. In this video, you'll learn how the human body protects itself through 3 lines of defense: physical and chemical barriers, non-specific innate responses, and specific adaptive immunity. To start, immunity is the body's defense system against disease-causing organisms. It can be innate, meaning you're born with it, or acquired, which develops after exposure to specific pathogens. The first line of defense is made up of physical barriers. Like walls around a city, your skin prevents invaders from entering. Inside, mucous membranes trap and sweep away dust and microbes before they reach deeper tissues. Beyond physical barriers, the body also relies on chemical defenses. Enzymes in tears, saliva, and sweat break down bacterial walls and help wash invaders away. Ever notice the slight saltiness of sweat? That film helps rinse microbes off the skin and creates conditions that are tough for bacteria to grow in. If a few microbes still get past this surface layer, the second line of defense, innate immunity, steps in. Macrophages move in to engulf invaders, while inflammation at the entry site calls additional defenders to help contain the infection. Sometimes the body raises its temperature as a fever to slow microbial growth and boost immune cell activity. That shift makes the internal environment less friendly for pathogens. So far, we've covered the first and second lines of defense, your external barriers and your internal, non-specific responses that act quickly and broadly. Curious how much you're remembering? Your personalized practice test, flashcard set, and study guide are all waiting for you. Just tap the link now and keep watching. Future you will thank you. Next comes the third line of defense, or adaptive immunity, which is specific. When macrophages display foreign antigens, T cells recognize them. Helper T cells then activate B cells, which produce antibodies targeting that exact pathogen. Afterward, some B and T cells become memory cells, ready to respond faster and stronger if the same pathogen returns. This learned response provides long-term or even lifelong immunity. For example, think of how vaccines work. They expose your immune system to a harmless form of a pathogen, prompting B and T cells to create memory cells. So when the real microbe shows up later, your body recognizes it quickly and fights it off before you even feel sick. A common mix-up is between innate and adaptive immunity. Remember, innate defenses are always on and non-specific, whereas adaptive defenses start more slowly but are highly precise, and they remember. Now it all comes together. Skin and sweat protect you first. That's the first line. If microbes get past those barriers, inflammation and fever, the second line helps stop them. And if exposure happens again, memory cells mount a faster, stronger defense, the third line. To recap, the first line blocks entry, the second line attacks any invader, and the third line targets specific pathogens and remembers them. Together, these defenses form a coordinated system that keeps you healthy every day. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.